things real quick here. You are all standing on a floor that rotates around slowly like that. Like a really slow record. Only the floor itself is moving. Nothing else moves on the floor. Put the handrails out on the window. Out there, you got to move your arms along yourself. Don't hold on too tightly. Up ahead of us on our trip, it's a 2.5-mile trip over the cables. There's 5 towers up there. When we go over those towers, there's a little bit of a sway. So watch about. Beautiful day up top. About 50 degrees up there right now. Clear and calm. Enjoy the ride.
New rotating tram cars provide you with 360-degree views on your way to the top. We just left We'll travel over 2.5 miles of cable line well. At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees We'll travel over 5 hours.
Thing right here behind you, the silver part, that's moving with you. That is moving. You don't have to keep
on the original, the helicopter flew some 23,000 flights carrying a total of 1,000 pounds. With the new rotating tram cars, the improvements included new cables, drive system, and the removal of some 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey marks along rock face during your trip that indicate where rock removal was required. The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees during your travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon, once the summer home of the Agua Caliente band of Coe Indians. Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cottonwood, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. To the left of our travel, or south of the tram car, is but one of many waterfalls fed by runoff from the mountain. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different lifestyles, ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurred. As we approach tower number 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow platform used during construction and now used during the tram's making experience. Platforms will be seen on the remaining As you no doubt already noticed, we experienced a swinging line of tram car transitions from the track cable over the tower saddle and back from track cable.
Yes, it is. Well,
built by the on-hold company, was made. The towers are lit. There's a total of 7 various kinds of cables. The largest of these are the cables on which we ride. They weigh just under 900 foot. Each of these is 13,500 feet in length, therefore weighing more than 6 tons. The halfway point on our trip is reached between Tower 2 and 3. This happens when the past journey. While here, downward
Kenya much better than yesterday.
Because both cars are tied together by the whole cable, which moves with the car. You see, the drive system of the Valley Station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart. The PalmSprings aerial tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s.
Everybody hold on for tower 3 up here. A little bigger sway to this one, so it's like the other one, except a little bigger sway. Here we go. Now rock and roll here, folks. Rock and roll.
To this
Look at that sparrow.
So you can see a lot more conscious of concrete going on those spots.
I see what's happening. This thing is moving. Yeah. Don't hold on.
If you hold on, you gotta let go.
Yeah. She's finally caught on. This is moving. I heard about all my years of blood. You can't do anything.
It was between towers 3 and 4 that we reached the long span of the pyramid. The cable stretched forward It's one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spire of Pino Cathedral Rock. Visible testimony of the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue our journey, the life zone changes become more obvious. You'll see a variety of pine trees, including pinyon, big cone, lodgepole, and white fir. Natural residents in the high country include deer, mountain lions, fox, bobcats, raccoons, and the California
They're probably going by helicopters.
Yeah, watch out.
Here comes tower 4. Hold on. Tower 4.
The smallest of the 5 towers located at an elevation of 7,576 feet. There, the view is truly spectacular. You will be able to see the many desert cities.
And the other one is a geologist. And I've had the fortune of hiking with him. And it's just so cool. I know nothing, but I love hearing all of their
All right, we're coming up to the mountain station. Up here, you'll be at an elevation of 8,516 feet. That's 2,595 meters. Tram car pulls up to the dock, everybody. We will bump the sides just a little bit, so keep holding on wherever you're at on the tram car for a few more seconds. When I open up the door, entrance to the building.